Got some breaking news out of Maryland, where Governor Larry Hogan is also talking about the need for that relief bill. Tom Dempsey joins us now with more live on what the governor had to say. This is his big priority right now, right, Tom?
Yeah, absolutely, Leslie. This press conference with Governor Larry Hogan wrapped up in just the last half hour. And during it, the governor put out a call for anyone with any sort of medical experience, including students currently in medical school, to come to the front lines of this pandemic. Of course, numbers continue to surge now across the state. Hospitalizations, the governor's putting it simply, saying hospitalizations are just way too much right now in this state. Tuesday's new cases totaled 2,700 across this state. That put the total number of coronavirus cases this year across Maryland at 200,000. Now, that Tuesday number of new cases, the numbers mark the third biggest single day increase since March. Again, this has put a huge burden on hospitals, as you can imagine. Governor Larry Hogan saying 21 hospitals right now are at 90% capacity or more. He said that extra medical assistance from anyone who may have medical experience could make a big difference right now. And he also continued to put out a big call for federal aid to help out desperate small businesses and families.
Every day I hear from small business owners who say that without this help, they may not be able to keep their doors open through the end of the year. PPP funding already ran out many months ago, and CARES Act funding will run out at the end of this month. And my message to everyone in Congress on both sides of the aisle is absolutely clear. If you do nothing else, if you pass no other legislation, and you can only accomplish one thing during this lame duck session, it must be to pass the Phase 4 relief package. We simply cannot wait until January 20th for this urgently needed relief.
Now, Leslie, to put this hospital situation into perspective, right now the Maryland Department of Health reports over 1,500 hospital beds are currently in use right now by coronavirus patients. That marks the highest level since early May. I'm Tom Dempsey, WUSA 9.
Yeah, the governor said weeks ago we had reached that dangerous point, and we are still there. All right, Tom, thank you. Thousands